विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण चॅप्टर 3 मधला एचसीएम अँड एलसीएम हे मुद्दे पाहत आहोत. आज आपण या चॅप्टर मधील शेवटचा प्रॅक्टिस सेट 14 यातील काही गणित समजावून घेणार आहोत. त्यामध्ये क्वेश्चन 1, चूज द राईट ऑप्शन, यामध्ये योग्य पर्याय निवडा. द फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम, the SCF of 120 and 150 is dash dash dash. Here 120 and 150 are divisible by 30, therefore its SCF is 30 and 30 is the correct answer, that the option number 1. The second problem is the SCF of this pair of number is not 1. Here we have to identify which pair do not have SCF 1. Here the option 1, 13, 17, it is a co-prime number, its SCF is 1. Second option 29, 20, these are also co-prime numbers, its SCF is 1. Third option 40, 20, 40 is divisible by 20, therefore its SCF is 20. And fourth option 14, 15, these are also co-prime number, therefore its SCF is 1. Therefore option number 3, 40, 20 is the pair that do not have SCF 1, because 40 is divisible by 20 and they are not co-prime numbers. Then we turn about question number 2, find the SCF and LCM. या उदाहरणावरून तुमच्या मनात काही जर शंका राहिल्या असतील एचसीएफ आणि एलसीएमच्या बाबतीत, ते या उदाहरणामध्ये कमी करण्याचा प्रयत्न करत आहे. या ठिकाणी 14 and 28 यांचा आपल्याला एचसीएफ आणि एलसीएम काढायचा आहे. These 28 is divisible by 14, therefore its SCF is 14 and LCM is 28. By using rule we can find its SCF and LCM. The third example is 17, 102, 170. First find prime factors of all these three numbers. 17, its prime factor is 17. 102, its prime factors are 2 into 3 into 17. 170, its prime factors are 2 into 5 into 70. All these have common prime factor 17, therefore its SCF is 17. To find its LCM, we take product of 2 into 3 into 5 into 17, means non-common prime factors and common prime factors. Its product is 510, therefore LCM of 17, 102 and 170 is 510. Then fifth example 21, 49, 84. First find prime factors, then find its common prime factor which is 7, therefore SCF is 7. Therefore SCF of 21, 49, 84 is 7. To find LCM, take first common prime factor 7, then all remaining prime factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. The product of all these prime factor is 588. Therefore its LCM is 588. In this way we can calculate LCM and SCF of any number. Then we turn about question 3, find the LCM. First example 36, 42. Here we find LCM by division method. 36, 42 divisible by 2, it's a quotient 18, 21. This 18 further divisible by 2, we get quotient 9, 21. These 9 and 21 are divisible by 3, we get quotient 3, 7. Therefore, in this way, the LCM of 36 and 42, we get first common prime factors 2 into 2 into 3, then remaining prime factors 3 into 7, all their product is 252. Therefore, LCM of 36 and 42 is 252. In this way, calculate the LCM. Then third example, 18, 42, 48. Write down in this way. First, all these three numbers are divisible by 2. We get quotient 9, 21, 24. This 24 further divisible by 2. We get quotient 9, 21, 12. This 12 again divisible by 2. We get quotient 9, 21, 6. Then these all numbers are divisible by 3. We get quotient 3 and 7 and here 1. To calculate LCM, take the product of common prime factors and non-common prime factors. In this way, when we take product of all these numbers, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7, we get product 1008. Therefore, 1008 is the LCM of these three numbers. Then fifth example, 24, 40, 80. Here also write down in this way. All these three numbers are divisible by 2. We get quotient 12, 20, 40, 60. Again it is divisible by 2. We get quotient 6, 10, 20, 30. Then again it is divisible by 2. We get quotient 3, 5, 10, 15. This 5, 10, 15. In this 10 is also divisible by 2. We get quotient 3, 5, 5, 15. This 5, 5, 15 is divisible by 5. 3 remains as it is. Then 5 divisible by 5, 1. 5 divisible by 5, 1. 5 divisible by 15. We get quotient 3. Then again divide by 3. We get quotient 1, 1, 1, 1. In this way, to calculate LCM, take product of these prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. All these have product 240. Therefore, 240 is the LCM of given three numbers 24, 40 and 80, 21. In this way. Then we have to find the fourth question. In this question, we have to find the smallest number that is divisible by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20. It means in that example, first we have to find LCM of 8, 9, 10, 15, 20. These numbers 8 and 20 are divisible by 2. We get quotient 4, 9, 5, 15, 10. Then 4 and 10 are divisible by 2. We get quotient 2, 9, 5, 15, 5. In this way, again these 2 is divisible by 2. Therefore, we get quotient 1, 9, 5, 15, 5. 5, 15, 5 are divisible by 5. Therefore, we get quotient by dividing 5. 9 is keeping as it is. 5 divisible by 5, 1. 5 divisible by 15 divided by 15. We get quotient 3. 5 divided by 5. We get 1. Then again divided by 3. We get 1, 3, 1, 1, 1. Again divided by 3. We get all numbers quotient 1, 1, 1, 1. To find LCM, take the product of all these prime factors. And the product of all these prime factors is 360. Therefore, smallest number we have to find. To find this smallest number, this LCM is 360 plus remainder 5 that is given in our example, and that number is 365. Means 365 is the number that is divisible by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20, and also remainder becomes 5. Then we have to take the fifth question in our practice set 14. This is a different question and learn carefully. या ठिकाणी आपण नीट समजावून घेणार आहोत. 437 divided by 551 reduce to lowest form. आता लोवेस्ट फॉर्म मध्ये रिड्यूस करण्यासाठी आपल्याला डिव्हिजन मेथडनी यांचा प्रथम जीसीडी किंवा एचसीएफ काढावा लागेल. मग डिव्हिजन मेथड नुसार मोठ्या संख्येला लहान संख्येनं प्रथम भागायचं. म्हणजे वी कॅन टेक डिव्हिजन ऑफ हायर नंबर डिवाइडिंग बाय स्मॉलर नंबर. हियर डिवाइड 551 by 437. The first we get quotient 1 and remainder 114. This remainder again divide the first divisor 437. The quotient get 3 and by we get the remainder 95. This 95 again divided by the next divisor 114. The 95 after dividing we get quotient 1 and remainder 19. This 19 then next remainder 95 after dividing we get quotient 5 and the remainder 0. या पद्धतीनं रिमाइंडर 0 येईपर्यंत भागाकाराची क्रिया करत राहायची. प्रत्येक वेळी मागची संख्येनं आलेल्या बाकीनं भागायचं आणि रिमाइंडर 0 येईपर्यंत आपण ही भागाकाराची क्रिया करणार आहोत. इथं लास्ट रिमाइंडर जे आहे या ठिकाणी 19 हाच ह्या दोन संख्यांचा काय एचसीएफ आहे. म्हणजे 19 इज द एचसीएफ ऑफ 437 and 551. Therefore HCF is 19. पुन्हा ह्या 19 ने डिवाइड केल्यानंतर 437 ला आपल्याला 23 हे काय मिळतं क्वोशंट मिळतो. याच पद्धतीनं पुन्हा 19 ने डिवाइड जर आपण 551 ला केलं तर त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला क्वोशंट 29 मिळतो. या ठिकाणी इट मीन्स 437 इज इक्वल टू 19 इंटू 23. हे 23 19 ने भागल्यानंतर आपल्याला भागाकार 23 या ठिकाणी येतो. तसंच याच पद्धतीनं 551 हे सुद्धा 19 ने भागल्यानंतर आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी क्वोशंट हा 29 येतो. देयरफॉर टू रिड्यूस लोवेस्ट फॉर्म 4037 divided by 551. This 19 into 23 divided by 19 into 29. Here 19 is common number. It gets cancelled and its lowest form is 23/29. याच पद्धतीनं इतर दोन उदाहरणामध्ये प्रत्येक मोठ्या संख्येला लहान संख्येने भागून प्रथमतः एचसीएफ काढायचा. एचसीएफ ने आल्यानंतर दोन सेपरेट संख्यांना भागून घ्यायचं. येणाऱ्या ज्या त्यांचे भागाकार आहेत ते गुणाकाराच्या रूपात मांडून या पद्धतीनं रिड्यूस टू लोवेस्ट फॉर्म अशी राहिलेली दोन उदाहरणं तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस मध्ये घरी सोडवायची आहेत. आणि एक दोन वेळा सराव केल्यानंतर समजून घेतल्यानंतर दोन्ही उदाहरणं व्यवस्थित सुटणार आहेत. देन टर्न अबाउट question number 6 in practice set 14. In this question we have to give the one number, their SCF, LCM, and we have to find out other number. In last period we have to see the property of SCF and LCM. The property is that the first number into second number is equal to their SCF and LCM. In this way, the product of two numbers is equal to SCF into LCM. Here in example question 6, one number is given 216. We have to find other number. There SCF is 72, LCM is 432. To find other number, this 216 is divided and 72 into 432 divided by 216. ह्या 72 न पूर्ण भाग 216 ला जातो आणि आपल्याला क्वोशंट 3 मिळतो. पुन्हा 3 न 432 ला डिवाइड केल्यानंतर न आपल्याला क्वोशंट 144 मिळतो. म्हणून अदर नंबर इज 144. या पद्धतीने आपल्याला या ठिकाणी आपल्याला त्याचा अदर नंबर मिळवता येतो. आता आपल्याला या ठिकाणी क्वेश्चन 8 हा आपण पाहणार आहोत. या प्रश्नामध्ये त्यांनी काय सांगितलेलं आहे की देअर आर बंडल्स ऑफ रिबन्स अँड देअर लेंथ्स आर गिवन इन दॅट एक्झाम्पल. द फर्स्ट bundle have length 392 meter, second bundle 308 meter, third bundle 490 meter. These three bundles have different lengths and we have to find the greatest length of string in that example. या उदाहरणामध्ये ह्या 3 रिबनच्या बंडल मध्ये आपल्याला जास्तीत जास्त किती लांबीचे तुकडे करता येईल म्हणजेच द ग्रेटेस्ट लेंथ ऑफ स्ट्रिंग या ठिकाणी विचारलेले आहे. हे उदाहरण सोडवण्यासाठी वी हॅव टू फाइंड दिस प्रॉब्लेम. फर्स्ट फाइंड SCF of these 3 numbers given in that example. Means we have to find SCF of 392, 308 and 490. या ठिकाणी in this way write down this. Then these all numbers are divisible by 2. We get quotient 196, 154, 245. Then by observing all these 3 numbers are divisible by 7. Therefore here we divide all these 3 numbers by 7. We get quotient 28, 22, 35. Here we have to find only SCF. Therefore these two numbers are common in that 3 numbers. Therefore SCF is equal to 2 into 7 is equal to 14. Therefore SCF of all these 3 numbers or all these bundles of ribbons have 14. Therefore